For our standing turkey, what you'll need is a glue stick, some tape, and a pen or pencil, and your a pair of scissors. And your Craft to Go kit includes, let's open it up, some feathers. We've got googly eyes. These are self-stick. We have 2 clothespins for the legs. We can attach these legs onto them. You have the beak and the wattle. You have the head. And this will be the body. There's a back and a front to most of them. So, the first thing we need to do, and a piece of construction paper folded into thirds. So the first thing we need to do is trace the child's hand. It's going to be a little narrow for me, but we'll make it work. So we're tracing it. And this will be part of their feathers in the back. So we're going to trace it and cut it out for them. Okay, now that we've cut out the hands, excuse me, we're going to need our body. We're going to put it on backwards, and we'll need our feathers and our tape in the hands too. So arrange your feathers however you want them. This looks good to me. Go ahead and tape those on. Then, after we do that, we're going to tape our hands on. Now remember, since this is the back, we want the side with the writing on it to face us. We're just going to spread them out up here and tape those on too. So it looks like this. Now the hands are a little floppy, as are, what we can do is take our glue stick and put a little bit of glue up in there just to kind of hold it down. So it's up in here. Put a little on the hands to stick to the feathers. Smash it. And that's all for that. Put that aside for now. Leave it laying flat so that it sticks. The next thing I'm gonna have you do is do the legs. And what we're gonna do is put a little bit of glue on the clothespin. And then we're just going to glue the legs right down to them. You can bend the foot up. those aside for a minute. Sorry, I gotta get this glue down. Make sure you press it down good. Okay, put those aside. Then we have the face. You can go ahead and glue the beak and the wattle. Wattle can stick off a little bit. And then the eyes, got some feathers stuck to my thumb. Jeepers, okay. Just peel them off of the backing, put them on. There's his little face. And we'll bring the body back over. Put glue on the back here. Okay, and center it, glue it on the body. So it's like we're looking at the turkey head on. And then, oh, I did these upside down. Goodness gracious. That's kind of why a glue stick is good sometimes, because you can flip it around without too much damage. Okay, redo. Do it so the feet are by the clippy part. So we're just going to clip those onto the bottom. Might need a little more glue on this one. And then you can stand up. Might have to shift the feet around till you can get them. Balance. Okay, I can't get mine to stand, but you can you can set them up against something, so I don't know. There, ta-da! Standing turkey.